This video is going to take you through exercise 1. So with this brief now, if we have a look at the first section, it's got a checklist. So I'm going to go through this on the video so that you can just kind of tick things off. So the first thing is we open up Adobe InDesign, and you'll get something that's looks similar to this. Now the first thing it says is go to the advanced workspace. So under Window, Workspace, go to Advanced. Now you've got to be saving screen captures as you go along, and the easiest way to do this is on a PC. You hit Alt plus Print Screen, and that goes to the clipboard, and then you can go to your Word document and just paste it in. If you're on a Mac, you go Command Control Shift 4. Drag around what we want to take a picture of, and now if I jump to Microsoft Word, I can go here and I can just go Command V or Control V on a PC, and you'll get your screenshot. And then you can make it as big or as small as you want. Okay, so it's this process. So that's the first bit done, and we'll just go through and do it bit by bit. So the next one, it says change the view from normal to preview. So what I can do is I can go up here, and I can't here we go, screen mode. So if I go here and now I do that same thing, Control Shift Command 4 on a Mac, while I've got the screen up, screenshot that, and come in here and just Command V again, paste it in. So you're just going through screenshotting all these options. So we can see they're done. So down to the next one. So that's the first two ticked off. Change the screen display from typical to high resolution. So it'll be under View again. And I can see it's on high resolution instead of typical already. So again, Command Control Shift 4 or Alt Print Screen. Alt Print Screen takes a photo of what the whole window is that you've got open, so you can change the size of that window. Okay, I've got that one. And paste along. This is just quicker for all this. I mean, you can do the normal thing of going and pasting things in, or saving images and pasting them, but it will be a hassle. Okay, so the next bit, preferences. All right, InDesign. Under here, we're going to have preferences. It'll have units and increments, and I'm going to change it from picas to pixels. So I'll change both of those measurements. I think it's just those two. I'll leave the other ones, and again, take a screen capture. And I can paste it straight in. Okay, the next one is it says create a new file. So that. So I'll go new file, new document. same thing. And it says go to web presets and choose 1366 by 1658. If it doesn't have them, just go view all presets, and you can see it right down the bottom here. Click that, and again, screen capture, and paste it. Okay, if we go back to InDesign, I'll go create. It says document setup. So under file, we go document setup, and it says change the document margins to 20 pixels. So you can see these are all linked here. So if I put 20 in and hit tab or click on another box, it changes it to 20 all around. I've got another screen capture, so I'll paste that in. Okay, next bit. Okay, so the next thing it says hit Control S. That's Command S on a Mac. It says give it an appropriate name. Okay, so I'm just going to put desktop or OneDrive, wherever you're going to save it, doesn't matter. And I'll call it task 1 InDesign. Take a screenshot of that. Save it. Paste it again. And what's the next bit? Okay. Control N or Command N on a Mac, and this time it says we create a new document. This time what we're going to do is we're going to enter the numbers ourselves. So make sure it says pixels here, and we're going to add in 19, 20, and in the height we're going to do 1080. Take a screen capture of that. Just resizing it a bit to make it a bit nicer. Okay. Okay. The next bit it says copy and paste some text. Yeah, this was me working out how to do a screenshot, so I can just get some of this text. It says go Control C or Command C on a Mac, and then go to the InDesign document, just go create, cool, and paste. So I can drag that box out if I want a wee bit, but essentially I'll just do the same thing again. There's not really any easy way where you can go show copy and paste. Anyway, we've got that. Okay, now we have to create a body paragraph style in design. So this one here is a bit trickier under window. If you go to type and tables, you'll styles, a bit further up, you'll find paragraph styles. Okay, so I'm going to open that up. And we need to create a body style. So this means we make the design of text and then we apply it. So what we do is we go down here and we'll go new. It comes up with paragraph style 1. If you double click on it, it will come up with the paragraph style. So one of the things it says is we have to call it body. And then what we do is we put in the basic characteristics. So if I come here, I can say, okay, I want the font to be, I'm going to go for Helvetica on my machine. It's a plain one. You can pick whatever you want, doesn't matter. Usually for body copy, you want something that's roughly about 9. So if we go 9 points, have it like that. And again, we'll take a screen capture of this. You can change things where you can change the color and everything, but with this screen up here, Command, Control Shift 4. Okay, and you see what happened here is it kind of automatically changed that. So you use this to do your text through the document. Alright, we're nearing the end of this. Okay, and it says use the help, and that looks like it's going to be the last task on this. So if we go up to the help menu and we search interactive PDF, do that again, help. Actually, I'll redo that screen capture. I should have done this. I spelled interactive wrong before. So this is a better one. Paste that in. And that's the last thing for task 1. So I've got all of this done for task 1, so I can save my Word document.